Hey my babies, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, of course, as you can see, we're doing another wig video. A lot of questions on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, okay? So I'm getting a lot of questions on Instagram asking how I do like my crazy extra baby hair. So I'm going to show y'all today on this mannequin head. Well, on this wig, not on this mannequin.
So with this part of the video, I sped it up because I already have a video on my channel on how I customize my frontals for beginners. So if you want to see that, I will link it down below. It's more in-depth and not as fast, so you can easily grasp onto it. So the first few minutes of this video is me customizing, which is like just me plucking the hairline and everything. But the second the second part of the video, sorry, is going to be me actually customizing the baby hair and everything. But this part is very therapeutic and freaking informative. That's the word I was looking for. And informative, so you could watch this too. I would suggest you watch this too.
Okay, so now we got both sides plucked. I went off camera and plucked this side. Y'all see me pluck this side. So now we about to get into these nice, crazy, dramatic baby hairs that we all been waiting for. So if y'all didn't see De'Ara hair, this is the picture I'm talking about. Yeah, y'all see them baby hairs? Focus, babe. Bam! So we about to give that. Oh, this is better. Yes. You see her. That is so. So we about to do these baby hairs up on this wig. Thank you. So I like to start off with this side because it's like the easiest. So we're going to use this apogee mousse, wrapping mousse. We're going to use olive oil. What is this called? Super hold spray. You're going to need your wax stick. Okay. And you're also going to need an edge brush. I like the one that got the comb and the brush. So before we start off, I got my picture right here because I like to be as precise as possible. Now with these baby hairs, you want to have you don't want to cut them all the same length. So in my last video, I cut them all like about 1 inch. But with these baby hairs, you don't want to cut them all the same because they clearly not all the same length. So this is going to be the longest. This is going to be the swoop. So as long as you got like a vision for your baby hair, you should be good. But if you don't have a vision, it might be a little difficult. So you see how I got this like slanted a little bit? That's how you want it for your swoop. And then she has a little curl going this way. So we're just going to take some hair right here. Cut it short. And you might still have to cut some more too when you witchmajiggy, when you start swooping or whatever. So, and then this part is going to be the sideburn with the curl, so make that a nice length, but you don't need all that right there. So I'm gonna cut that shorter, make it go in with the little side curl, and I'll be cutting the sideburns. You want to have enough for you to swoop. So boom, now we got that out the way. You want to take your fix-it spray. Maybe I should just go ahead and cut all the baby hair so I don't confuse y'all. So you want to put that back out the way. Now in the front, you want to have the little swoops like that with the curl in the front. So you want to make these kind of short. This is going to be the shortest. And then you want it to get a little long because you want that curl to be right there. You want enough for the curl. And this is kind of hard to explain, but because you're watching it and you already seen the video, already seen, why is it broken? Okay, and you already seen like my inspo. It shouldn't be that hard to brainstorm to. I want this to be a swoop as well. So it's basically preference, like it's all preference. This is gonna just match the other side. Give a little bit of curl right there. And then this is gonna be beside them. Boom. So now that we got that, and I've seen this little trick from Irvington. He took his flat irons and he kind of like curled the hair. He had small flat irons, but these are the only flat irons I had. So hopefully it look like it's working here. And I just want to bend them a little bit so it can be easier to iron. So it can be easier to mold into the curls. That makes sense. Okay. So first what I do is I take this fix-it spray, spray it onto my edge brush, and I just slick this back like that, making sure it's nice and out the way of my baby hair. So that's what I do with that. They're nice and slick because I like a nice sleek look. So yeah. Okay. Boom. Now we got that. I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to use my mousse, and I'm only using this brush because it's more new and it's not as hard on the bristles like the other one. So I want my swoop to start right here, not really right down here, but I want to start right here. So we're going to put that in. And with the swoop, you don't want to have a heavy hand. You want to have the slightest hand possible. And as you can see, I got the comb sideways. I don't have it like this, but I got it like this. So you just want to get those hairs wet. And you just want to swoop it. It's really hard to teach how to swoop because it's like basically preference again. So it's all about how you want to do it, or what looks best for you. And I like my baby hair to go into my hairline. I don't like it to be like hairline, baby hair, hairline, baby hair. I like it to be baby hair going into the hairline. See what I'm saying? Yes, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. And this is just a mold, so it don't have to be like perfect. But I mean, why not make it perfect, right? Now let's go back to this video and see what I'm supposed to be doing. So after the swoop, it's a curl going that way. Okay, y'all can see that. So you got your curl. going out that way. So let's do that. And me, I'm a visual learner. Like, I don't have to like have somebody teach me to do something. All I gotta do is see it, and 9 times out of 10, I can do it. 9 times out of 10. Now with this little piece right here, I'll take the tail end of my comb, and it's still kind of long. So we're gonna cut that like that and curl it up some. Now this part is kind of hard because again the head is straight, but if you keep it kind of wet, like with the mousse, then that should just go to where you want it to go. And I'm going to install this so I can just fix it how I want to fix it when it's time for me to fix it. Okay. So next you got like a little swoop and then they go into, okay. This is cute. I like what she's giving here. So let's get one of these. Okay, I'm gonna fix this a little bit. Okay, and then you got that side done. So we're gonna go to the next side. So now that we got our edge wrap on, as you can see, this kind of went that way a little bit, but that's fine because we're gonna fix it. And this goes here like that. So yeah, everything is nicely laid and with majiggy. So then you're gonna take your hot comb for the last time and go ahead and flatten this out, because this is how it's gonna lay on your client's head. So this is how we want to lay. However you want to lay on your client's head, how you basically want to lay it on a mannequin is what I'm trying to say. Boom. And boom. So now all you got to do is to fix this little piece of hair that got messed up and to wet it.